Hi guys, good morning. So it's about 5 past 10 in the morning, and today is 23rd of April 2018. We are on the expiry week. Like on Thursday we have expiry. So I thought, I'm going to discuss about some breakout stocks today, and I'm just going to give you two stocks in a few minutes. But before that, what I want to tell you here is that Nifty, although it opened gap down, but it looks to me pretty positive. Why is it so? Just see here that Nifty honored its, Nifty did not cross its low today, right? Its low, it just touched and bounced back, and it's been just three solid green candles after that. So if it crosses its morning range with volumes, I'm expecting a positive turn around in Nifty, right? And if Nifty turns positive, which sector is driving it? So definitely the one sector that you know all really well, it's the IT sector, right? Whether it is TCS or it is HCL Tech or it is NIT Tech or it is Mindtree, if you look into any stock, it's been just heading up, right? Beautifully solid candles, right? So all these, IT stocks are doing too good, right? Look into anything, even Tata Elxsi, 33 points up, right? Major movement in all IT stocks. But there's one stock which has yet to show us the improvement, the movement, the solid movement, and that stock is Infi. So to me, Infi looks to me a very attractive value on very attractive valuation right now, and I have put its 22 May Infi May 1200 call on my radar. Of course, rather I've bought it. I have bought to 1200 quantity of it. I've bought 1200 quantity of you know it at 19 rupees. Right now it's about 22 rupees. So to me it looks very promising. So why am I saying so, and what could be my targets and what could be my hurdles? Let me discuss that. So this is Infi, right? Let me make its 1 day graph. And see what's happening in 1 day graph. Where is it that it's facing all the resistances? So if it crosses those barriers, one definitely can expect a good flight. So this is how Infi looks. Let me just make little space so that I can see exactly what's happening in the Infi graph. Now this is how Infi looks here, right? So see, this is one resistance, which is a massive resistance to Infi, and that comes at 1275 here. And before that, there is a major hurdle, which is 1217. And before 1217, we have a major hurdle of 1293. If Infi crosses, rather 1190, if Infi crosses 1190, mind my words, it's gonna just take a flight for another 27 points, which means it definitely will go up to 1217. And if it crosses 1217, take my words, it is going to take you to 1250, right? That is my, and these are all targets I'm expecting to be achieved in the month of May. And that's the reason, as I told you, we are in the expiry week right now. So I have put its May options. If you see here, I'm going to be entering into May option. I will not enter into now April month options. Why? Because April is now we're going to deplete very fast, and April is going to be very dangerous. So I'm not going to enter into April month. I'm going to be in, I have taken its month of May calls, right? And to me, this candle formation looks very promising. So today's hurdle is, right now we are at 1172. All the IT companies are doing well, but except Infi today. Infi is not, Infi is showing strength, right? Infi is showing strength. So let me take you to 15 minutes. And there we will see when can it become in a positive zone. The moment, it crosses, 1175 and a candle formation takes above the 10 moving average, I would expect Infi to go up after that. Take up a flight at least till the point 1190. And this, if today 1190 is crossed, then I'm expecting 1 to 17, right? These are my expectations from Infi, right? It looks very, very promising and it looks very, very nice to me. And if you feel, and I'm sure you can, if you feel good, you can take entry into it. Another stock that is on my radar is 𝐴𝐶 Construction. You know, 𝐴𝐶 Construction looks very promising to me, right? Look at it. Its entry is at 185. The moment if it closes today above 185, it definitely has next targets over, 205. It has 205 as the next target, definitely. And if it crosses 205, then I'm expecting another 20 points in another 20 points I'm expecting definitely to be there. So, work out your stocks a day before. I don't know how many of you attended my question answer session yesterday. I told you that Infi looks very promising to me. So, but what happens when you have found a stock which is looking very promising? What you need to do, wait for it to come down and take a support, right? Let me show you Infi. I'll tell you what I mean by that. Don't enter by the beginning itself. It opened gap down, and see here it took a support in 1 day time frame and bounced back from here. When you see this bounce happening, that is when you can enter. And definitely, I mean, if you don't want to expose much so much of value, then you can just take its call, right? Call or put whatever you feel comfortable with. So I'm just expecting Nifty to go in 15 minutes above 10 moving average. After that, I will feel it'll be in a good up flight. All right. So guys, what I wanted to tell you, we are just on the verge of starting launching another 3 days left for our, this Nifty programs, or 7 days, whatever number of hours left. And if you join our paid course, you will get 1 month free StockPro positional advisory service, right? So, I mean, I think if you have a capital of about 1 lakh or so, you can recover this fee within no time from our advisory on positional trades. So take a call quickly, this is one of the best course that I feel, it's one of the best course on Nifty. I mean, I felt very proud. It's about 20 hours that we are giving here. And it's a recorded course, but we will definitely be hand-holding you guys and telling you, fine-tuning your trades. So I'm really waiting for you all. As I told you always, if you can analyze Nifty, you can earn money. Like this 14,000, 15,000 getting in a day is not at all a challenge. One can always, recover the fee quickly. So just keep Infi on your radar. I would say rather, if you wish, you can take a call. I'm already there. I've already bought it, so I'm pretty positive about it. And if in case it crosses this barrier which I have marked today, 1175, it looks to be heading up nicely. It has to cross 10 moving average. So by the time I'll upload, in case you see 10 moving average being crossed, you can definitely create your position into Infi. Right. And I mean, I'm sure those who have, yesterday we were talking about a lot of stocks and somebody had a concern about HEG. And I said that HEG, you don't need to worry, because HEG is a very, very rock solid stock, right? And as it is, it has bounced from the bottom. Can you see? But today again, it experienced a resistance from higher levels. So the moment this value is crossed, which is 2863, it will be an upward journey, right? I have told you the exiting policy, I've told you the entry policy. Please stick to that and earn good money. Like these kind of stocks you can keep on your radar. Somebody was asking me, what are your favorite stocks? So I have a lot of favorite stocks. I've been telling you, like the Heikkanishi candle that I've told you, you can apply on many stocks. Like one of my favorite is Juicy Bio. That. Another favorite of mine is Flips Carbon. Look at the beautiful fight it's taking up. Then I have another favorite, which is Graphite India. You all know that. I've been talking about them for donkey's years, ever since I started making my videos. So even Graphite India looks very, very promising to me right now. Right, Goa Carbon is one of my favorite stock, and look at the Oberoi reality. Right, we gave Oberoi reality, and we look at the beautiful run up it's taking up. Right, so these are all my favorite stocks, and definitely HEG is one of them. JBMA is one of them. Himadri Specialty Chemicals is one of them. So all these stocks are my favorite stocks. So really, really, if you want to earn money, as I told you about the Heikkanishi candle, you can apply in any of these stocks and get good money. You can apply that on any of these stocks, that strategy, and get good money. Get good money every single day. So to me, now Infi looks very, very positive. It has crossed, I think it has crossed its barrier. Now the candles are going above. It's crossing the barrier with volumes, and it's heading in the upward direction. So hopefully I'm doing pretty fine. See here, not a bad profit, So then, I mean, if you can see oh wow, this is going up. So now see, I told you, the moment barriers are crossed, it takes upward flight. So what I'm going to do, I will see, what I can see here, people are even bidding for 35 rupees or 37 rupees. So I'm going to put my order and just leave it, believing, I mean, of course, that I will calculate how much movement am I expecting, and what will be my, price of my option at that time. So I'm definitely expecting it to go up till this point, which is 1190, which is 10 points above. And then I'm going to calculate what could be the cost of my option. And if I get decent value, I will book it and exit it, right? So this is what, I plan to do. So anyway, good day, guys. I just wanted to bring it to your notice, as I told you in my yesterday's question answer session. So please join question answer session and now I'm going to make it every Saturday, not this Saturday, because Saturday I'm going to land in India, but every Saturday I give a stock, right? One stock or two future stocks, which you can keep on radar. About 3 weeks back, I gave this stock Biocon, right? 3 weeks back, I gave the stock Biocon. And you can see how Biocon has moved. 3 weeks means around 7th of April, I gave this stock, right? 7th of April, somewhere here, right? Somewhere here, I gave the stock, right? And see the beautiful movement it has taken up. It went from 608 to 644. And now I'm giving the stock of the week as Infi. My stock of the week is Infi. Just keep it on your radar. If you feel convinced, if you feel comfortable, create position and earn good money. But if you earn money, please don't hesitate to join our courses and learn such beautiful breakout stocks, right? Just join any of the course which you feel good. I would say you should do one after the other, all the courses. You should do our Nifty course, you should do our positional course, and you should do our intraday course. All these three. This will be included in over here, right? So what I'm saying, take a entry into the market based on the research that we have done for you, and we're doing an enormous amount of work. So use that. And such an accomplished entry and exit, nobody will teach you. And we have a fully dedicated team, which just working 24 hours to provide you best of trades, to provide you best of knowledge in the stock market. And our commitment here is just to make you rock solid in understanding the stock market. So with this, I'm signing off. Good day, guys. If you can still catch Infi, do that. That's from my side. And if you earn money, then please don't forget to do the courses. Bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow.